Welcome back. In lesson 13, we are diving into how to leverage Facebook ads for e-commerce success and retargeting strategies. Whether you are running a small online store or managing a large e-commerce business, Facebook ads can significantly boost your sales and customer retention. Let's explore how. Facebook ads are incredibly effective for e-commerce because they offer powerful targeting tools to find your ideal customers, enable retargeting for cart recovery and repeat purchases, provide diverse ad formats to showcase products like carousel ads or collection ads. It delivers measurable results from traffic to conversion. Choosing the right ad type is crucial. Here are the most effective ones for e-commerce. Carousel ads showcases multiple products in a single ad. Great for product catalogs. Example, a fashion store displaying various items like shoes, dresses, and accessories. Dynamic ads automatically displays relevant products to users based on their browsing behavior. Example, a user who views a specific item on your website sees that exact product in their Facebook feed. Collection ads featured a cover image or video with multiple products below, based for mobile users. Example, a home decor store displaying a featured room with shoppable items. Stories and reel ads, perfect for promoting flash sales or limited time offer with engaging visuals. Lead generation ads, use these to collect email addresses for exclusive discounts or early access to sales. Let's create a dynamic product ad for your e-commerce business. Go to Ad Manager and choose the sales objective. Select the catalog sale option. Upload your product catalog to Facebook or integrate your store using platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce. Define your audience. Use retargeting for users who've browsed your site or abandoned their cart. Choose automatic placement for maximum reach. Set up a budget and bidding strategy aligned with your goals. Create the ad. Use high quality images, clear pricing, and compelling CTAs like Shop Now. Dynamic ads are especially effective because they are personalized to each user, increasing the likelihood of conversion. Retargeting is a game changer for e-commerce. Here's how to do it. Cart abandon campaigns. Target users who added items to their cart but didn't check out. Use messaging like your favorites are waiting. Browse abandonment campaigns. Retarget users who viewed product on your site but didn't take action. Highlight this product in the ads. Upsell and cross-sell campaign. Target customers who recently purchased to promote complementary products. Example, if someone bought a camera, suggest lenses or tripod. Seasonal and holiday campaigns. Retarget previous customers with seasonal discount or exclusive offers. Email list retargeting. Upload your email list to create a custom audience. Retarget past buyers with personalized promotions. Track these key metrics to measure your success. Click-through rate, CTR, indicates how engaging your ads are. Aim for 2% or higher. Return on ad spent, ROAS, shows the average generated per dollar spent. Conversion rate tracks how many users completed a purchase. Cost per acquisition, CPA, measures how much you are spending to get a new customer. Let's look at a case study. The problem: low website traffic and high cart abandonment rate. The solution: run a dynamic product ad campaign targeting cart abandoners. Use a 10% discount code as an incentive. Create a lookalike audience to reach new potential customers. Result: 3 times ROAS, 20% reduction in cart abandonment, 30% increase in repeated purchases. Before launching your campaign, keep these tips in mind. Use high-resolution product images and videos. Offer incentives like free shipping or discounts. Test different ad formats and creatives. Optimize for mobile users, as most e-commerce traffic comes from the smartphone. Use urgency in the messages like limited stock available. Your homework for today: create a dynamic product ad campaign for your store. Set up a retargeting campaign for cart abandonment. Analyze the result after 3 to 5 days and identify areas for improvement. Fantastic work learning the ins and outs of e-commerce and retargeting with Facebook ads. In our next lesson, we'll explore advanced targeting options to help you scale your campaign even further. See you there.